Correspondence dated 23rd January 2026. Transmission of Court of Appeal Amendment Bill 2026 to the National Assembly for passage into law. I'm pleased to transmit to the Senate for legislative action the attached Court of Appeal Amendment Bill 2026. The bill seeks to amend the Court of Appeal Act Cap C 36, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, to strengthen the institutional capacity, efficiency, and effectiveness of the Court of Appeal in line with the constitutional provisions and contemporary justice sector realities. The major amendments proposed in the bill include the following: increase in the number of justices of the Court of Appeal. The bill seeks to increase the number of justices of the Court of Appeal, including the President of the Court, from 70 to 110. B, clarification of judicial structure and seniority. The bill seeks restructure provisions relating to the composition, precedence, and ranking of justices of the Court of Appeal, including the ranking of the President of the Court and the determination of the seniority among justices. Modernization through the introduction of virtual court proceedings. The bill provides for the conduct of proceedings of the Court of Appeal through electronic and audio-visual means. Establishment of Alternative Dispute Resolution ADR Center. The bill seeks to establish an Alternative Dispute Resolution Center within the Court of Appeal to which appellate matters may be referred for settlement. It further empowers the President of the Court of Appeal to issue regulations and practice directions for its effective operation. That is for the ADR. Enhancement of appellate proceedings, enhancement of appellate procedures and court operations. The bill seeks to introduce several procedures and administrative amendments to improve operational efficiency and legal certainty in appellate practices. Alignment with contemporary legal and institutional standards. The bill also seeks to update terminology and definitions within the Principal Act, including the recognition of virtual hearings and modern correctional nomenclatures, and to consolidate interpretative provisions to ensure clarity, consistency, and alignment with current legal and institutional framework. The Senate is therefore invited to note that these amendments are timely and necessary. They respond to the growing demands on the appellate justice system and seek to reduce delays in the administration of justice, strengthen access to justice for litigants across the Federation, and reinforce public confidence in the judiciary. In view of the foregoing, I hereby present the Court of Appeal Amendment Bill 2026 and trust that the Senate will consider the passage of the bill expeditiously. Please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished Senators, the assurances of my consideration and personal regards. Signed, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The bill is hereby committed to the Committee on Rules and Business.